Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Facebook profile photo on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and then you want to change your Facebook profile photo, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and just open Facebook in your browser. Now here you will see your profile name or your profile icon here. Just click on it. It will go to your profile page. Now you just have to click on this camera icon over here. Just click on this and then click on upload photo. Now it will let you to your desktop from where you have to select photo. So for example, I'm going to select this one, and once you have selected, it will take some moments and it will upload your photo to your TikTok profile. So you just have to try to refresh your page here